the town of Chugwater, Wyoming, a job well done often goes unnoticed. No matter the weather, cattle need fed, fences need fixed, and the job needs done today. It's all the little things a real cowboy does that never get a like on social media. Few folks realize the care and effort that goes into the food they eat. At Chugwater Chili, we blend our gourmet spices by the same code that Wyoming cattlemen have lived by for over a century. Because a job well done isn't something you do for the recognition. It's simply the way life was meant to be lived. Chugwater Chili, the gourmet spice of Western life.